Hello children, how are you? I hope you are keeping well. Now, this is the second class that I am going to take, and this time I am going to take class on GK. This is the book you have, the same book you will have GK also. In my last video, I told you about the topics that will be there for the first term for EVS subject. Now today you mark the topic in your book, topics that will be there for the first term for the GK subject. Children, go to the content page and see the first topic for GK. The first topic is animals, page number 46. Second topic, birds, page number 55. Third topic, insects, page number 59. And turn the page. Air, page number 89. And the last topic, seasons, page number 91. Children, how many of you have visited zoo? Oh, I see. Many of you have visited zoo. Only few have not visited zoo. See, now the coronavirus is spreading everywhere slowly and slowly. But don't get scared. I hope you are washing your hand time to time and you are not going out to meet your friends, and keep yourself all the time clean so that corona does not affect you. If you keep yourself clean, then you will be safe. Then very soon we will come back to school and then we will have lots of fun, right? Okay, but now you see, you are at home, so you must be watching some cartoons. Yeah, I know you are doing that. See, watching cartoons all the time is not good. Instead of that, you can tell your parents, your mommy or daddy, to switch on to Discovery Channel or Animal Planet or National Geography. These channels, they have so many episodes, and throughout the day they show lot of animals, different type of animals, different type of birds, different type of fish, different types of insects. When you watch this, you will get a lot of knowledge. So don't only watch cartoons, but do watch this type of channels. Will you do that? Good. And see, after this, corona disappear from our state and from our country, and surely that is going to happen. It's not that we are all the time going to stay at home, and I know that you are getting bored. Corona will disappear, it will be killed, and then you can ask your mommy or daddy to take you to the zoo, and there you can see some animals live. Before that, what I said, You can watch these uh, channels, okay, in your TV, and you will see so many birds, animals, and insects. Fine, okay. And I am going to take the class today on the topic called animals. Animals that live on land. Did you open your book? Page number 46. Okay, good. What is the picture of this animal? Yes, this is a picture of a camel. And where do you see these camels? We can see them on deserts. And that is why these camels, and another word called ships of the desert. And you know why they are called ships on the desert? Where do you see ships? On sea or on ocean, no? Yes. So there is water, and what do you see in the desert? You can see only sand and sand and sand, nothing else. And what in the desert, these camels, like sheep, carry goods and people from one place to the other place. No other animal can carry heavy loads and people from one place to the other in the desert. Only camels can do that. That is why they are called ships of the desert. Okay, next picture. Zebra, no? And what is the color of this zebra? Black and white strips. Yes. They are mostly found in South Africa. Next picture. Okay, this one. What is this animal? Yes, correct. Lion. And you know, lion is called the king of the jungle. Why lion is called the king of the jungle? Have you seen the movie The Lion King? There you will see, if you have watched, small lion called Simba, and that Simba, small lion, and he becomes big one. If you get time, you can watch that movie. It's very interesting. Okay. I asked you, why lions called kings of the jungle? Yes, they have power and strength. Like the king, they have got power and strength, and they are not afraid of any other animals. And you see, they have mane, no? That also gives them a look like king. That is why they are called kings of the jungle. Next picture. What is this? Yes, this is giraffe. Giraffe has got the longest neck among the animals. By using this neck, they can reach up to the branches of the tree and can eat the leaves of the tree. And with this neck also they fight with their enemies. And they have long legs which help them to run fast. They can run quite fast. It's not only the cheetah run very fast. These Giraffe also can run very fast, but not as fast as cheetah, definitely. Next picture. What is this one? Hey, all of you know. Yes, dog. And do you have dog at home? Yes, many of you are having. Good. And you know, dog is the most faithful animal. That is why we keep them in our home, because they guard our home and do not allow strangers to come. Right? Next picture. What is this one? Yes, tiger. You see, beautiful color, yellow and black streaks. If you have gone to the zoo, you must have seen tigers. But you know, the tigers are in the Sundarban jungle is very big. It's not like the tiger you have seen in the zoo. If you see them from close, this Royal Bengal tiger, you will get frightened. They're such a huge ones. Then what is the next picture? Yes, all of you have seen some or other snakes at home or around your home, right? But all the snakes are not poisonous. Mostly they are poisonous, but some of the snakes are non-poisonous too. But be careful, don't play with snakes, because you don't know which ones poisonous and which ones non-poisonous. So always stay away from them. The last picture, yeah, like a meow, no, make noise. Yes, it's a picture of a cat. And how many of you keep cat at home? Yes, good number, good. But can you tell me why people, and mainly in the village side, people keep cats at their home? Because cat can kill rats. You see, in the villages they store different type of grains, like a paddy, wheat, or other food grains. And these rats, what they do? Rats and mouse also, they eat and destroy. So people keep cat at home, and cat kills these rats and mouse. So these two animals, this dog and cat, they are pet animals because they are kept at home and they are loved by the family members. But these animals, they are found in jungle. And I told you, this is found in deserts. So children, learn the names of all these animals that we can see on land. So children, learn the name of these animals so that when I ask you, you are able to tell me the name of these animals. Thank you.